Welcome back to Top Repairs. How do you know you got a bad fuel pump control module for your Chevy Silverado? What is a fuel pump control module for a Chevy Silverado? And this part is going to be responsible for controlling the three-phase brushless fuel pump in the fuel tank. And when that module fell, it's not going to send power to that fuel pump, so you're going to notice all sorts of symptoms. If you own a newer Chevy Silverado and your vehicle is not starting, and we try to start your vehicle and it just keeps cranking and cranking and cranking, most likely there is no fuel pressure caused by a bad fuel pump control module. If the fuel pump control module is intermittently failing, you might notice that your truck might stall out of nowhere, or the truck might have low fuel pressure. You might notice the engine running rough, caused by an engine misfire, again caused by low fuel pressure. The first sign that you might have a bad fuel pump control module is that you're going to get code. You're going to get P129F code, and that is a code for a bad fuel pump control module. So again, if you own a newer Chevy Silverado, this is actually a very common problem, and it is possible that you might have to replace the fuel pump control module a few times until the manufacturer finds a solution for it. Before you replace the fuel pump control module, always check fuel pressure. If there is no fuel pressure, now it is time to check for a bad fuel pump control module, and that part is going to be located near the gas tank, somewhere on the chassis. When you locate the fuel pump control module, it is important to check that it is actually sending power to that fuel pump. If it is not sending power to that fuel pump, then it is safe to say that fuel pump control module is the problem. If you have a bad fuel pump control module, it is important that you order this part as soon as possible because it is known to be on back order. Now, when you order the part, it is going to be this part number over here. It is going to be 1355481, and it is going to be for AC Delco and for the GM OEM part number. If you buy a brand new fuel pump control module, do you have to reprogram it? And the answer is no. As long as the new part number matches up with the part number on the old fuel pump control module, you don't have to reprogram it. As I mentioned earlier in the video, this is actually a very common problem. This part tends to fail quite often, and if you try to get this part, sometimes it is on back order. So what I suggest is that you buy one ahead of time and just save it for yourself, because it is actually quite easy to replace this part, since you could just go underneath the truck and you could actually access it. It is not that difficult to get to the fuel pump control module because, again, it is located underneath the truck and you can actually get to it. So you don't have to remove anything to get to that part. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.